Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to watch Telegram videos in-app without using Terabox. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, first step is open up your Telegram, and now once you're inside there, go ahead and find that video you like to watch. So I'm just going to go into this channel here. I'm going to scroll up and find that video. Where is it? Alright, here it is here. So what we can do is go ahead and click on the download button, and that's going to download that video. You can also watch it from here. So I'm just going to pause this and come back here. Now once that finishes downloading, I'm just going to pause this video and get back to you once this is finished downloading, and I'll show you where you can view this. Okay, so now it's finished downloading. We need to go back and then click on the search button inside the chats. And now we've got these slider here, so just slide this left to right and then click on the downloads, and here it is here. So you can go ahead and play that video inside of your downloads.